So we're gonna be targeting the groin, also known as your adductors. There's quite a few muscles here that kind of insert shorter and longer towards the inner thigh. So by targeting the groin, we're gonna kind of lie on our side here, right beside the roller, and work it through, bending the knee, getting the hip flexed a little bit. And at the same time, you're just setting your own intensity, putting more pressure on your elbows or less to kind of really sink in. If you do find a spot that's particularly tender in a sense, you can kind of shorten your rolls, work it through, and then kind of give yourself those broader strokes. So even to give yourself a little bit of a soft tissue release, you can pin that groin and then start to straighten out your leg here. So you can work higher, you can work lower, and get all that musculature on the inside